Hi viewers, welcome back to GK Digimas channel, where I bring to you the best tips and tricks on how to run successful email marketing. I'm your host, Amade God Knows. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more insightful videos on email marketing that will help you drive engagements, conversions, and ultimately boost your revenue. Email is one of the most powerful and effective marketing strategies that allows you to reach your audience directly, build strong relationships, and drive profitable actions for you. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or an e-commerce entrepreneur, mastering the art of email campaign is crucial for your business. Having said that, let's start with framework to craft the perfect campaign strategy for your brand. And for you to do that, you need to have answer to questions like, what is the goal of my campaign? For example, is it to generate leads, promote products or services, or increase sales? Question number 2 is, what challenges am I going to solve to my subscribers? Like, what is their pain points, challenges, and needs? Question number 3 is, how much subscribers information do I have that will help me drive campaign that is going to resonate with them? Alright? And the answer to the above questions will guide you in creating high-hitting email campaign strategy that align with your campaign goals and resonate with your audience accordingly. The understanding of your target audience for impactful communication depends on the accurate responses from these above questions that were just asked a few seconds ago. This knowledge will enable you to tailor your email campaign to resonate with your audience and achieve your desired outcomes. Remember, clear and well-defined goal provides direction, focus, and measurable outcomes for your email marketing campaign. By setting meaningful objectives, you can develop strategies and tactics that will maximize your chances of success in email marketing. The next step in email marketing campaign is building a high-quality subscriber list. And there are some effective strategies for building your subscriber list for better conversions. And they are creating compelling opt-in incentives to encourage website visitors, social media followers, or blog readers to subscribe to your email list. These incentives could be in form of exclusive contents, discounts, free ebooks, or material guide, ensuring they are in line with the interest of your audience to attract genuinely interested subscribers. Optimize the opt-in forms and make them simple and concise, focusing on essential information such as name and email addresses only. Promote your email lists to wider audience through engaging posts, highlighting the benefit of subscribing and including a clear call to action with a link to the article or author bio that directs readers to subscribe to your email list. You can as well collaborate with influencers in your niche to cross-promote your email list to their audience with mutual benefit discussed. Another strategy is to design dedicated landing pages with strong value propositions, clearly communicating the benefit of people subscribing to your email list. A well-designed and focused landing page can significantly increase conversion rates. You can as well use a pop-up form strategy to capture the attention of website visitors. And these pop-up forms should be triggered based on user behavior such as exit intent or time spent on the page. Experiment these processes with different designs, messages, and time to find what works best for your audience while maintaining a positive user's experience. To this instance, you need to personalize the mails by addressing your subscribers by their name to create a sense of familiarity and personal connection. This is a small gesture that creates a sense of familiarity and connection, making the email feel more personal. Use engaging layouts and color schemes that are visually appealing, easy to read, and navigate with incorporated messages, graphics, and videos that are strategically positioned to enhance the content visuals. Consider their pain points and provide solution through your emails. The more value you provide, the more engaged your subscribers will be. Therefore, clearly define the action you want your subscribers to take and include compelling and visually prominent call to action within your emails for easy sign-ups and conversions. By targeting each segment with the appropriate messages, you can nurture relationships, drive retention, and encourage repeat purchases. By harnessing the power of automation and segmentation, you can create meaningful connections, drive engagement, and maximize the success of your email marketing campaigns. Test the processes across various mobile devices to ensure adequate receivers, because majority of emails are opened on mobile devices. Therefore, optimize your campaign for mobile responsiveness. Learn from your previous campaigns to refine your approach and continuously enhance the effectiveness of your campaign. In all, focus on creating an engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Remember, compelling content is a backbone of a successful email campaign. By investing time and effort into creating valuable and engaging mails, you can build strong relationship with your subscribers and drive them towards taking actions. Use concise and compelling copy that grabs attention, tells a story, and drive actions. Remember, email marketing campaign is an ongoing process that requires testing, analyzing, iterating, consistency, and experimenting. By implementing the discussed strategy, you can optimize your email marketing campaigns to achieve higher engagements, conversions, and overall success in your email marketing business. As I conclude this video, I want to believe that you have gained valuable insights into creating successful email marketing campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more email marketing tips and strategies. I would also love to hear your thoughts on email marketing campaign in the comment section below. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video. GKDG Mass Channel loves you all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.